welcome back to the vlog. So this morning we had our television installed downstairs. So we're like living room, downstairs living room is coming together. I think I'll do a little bit more this afternoon. I'm feeling a little sniffly and I'm really worried about it, but I think it's just the rain. So I took some Advil cold and sinus, hoping it's good. I'm feeling very paranoid that I've got like the Omicron, but we're just gonna stay positive. So today I'm watching a live stream about live streaming because that's kind of what I do. And I actually love these guys. These are Glenn and Ken from Ecamm Live, which is the streaming app that I like to use. And I really find their live streams to be very informative, staying on top of like how to use the app. Anyway, I never organized my set of drawers. So while I'm listening to the live stream, I'm gonna do that, but I'll show you the before so you can see the after. So basically I've got all of this electronic equipment. Let me turn on the lights. The equipment for streaming and making videos, and it's kind of, I never really organize this. Well, this is crafts and stuff too. So I'm just gonna organize these drawers and make them look a little better, and hopefully I'll make some labels too. This is not the right label for that drawer, obviously. So, but I've got some drawer organizers there, and then I've got the Marie Kondo ones here that I bought. We'll see if these are good here or not. I'm definitely gonna keep these. I might use these downstairs in the new living room. That might be the move. They're so pretty though. I don't wanna, well, we'll see what happens. All right, let's do this.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh.
So there might be something that nobody has yet. So there might be something.
Hi!
But it was working fine. Okay, so I'm gonna try and get into it.
Hi there. Where come from? Little bud? Where'd you come from?
People, please. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Oh, la, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you.
Okay, a Christmas gift just got delivered from my good friends Derek and Sarah, and they basically gifted us some gin and tonics. So we got some Monkey gin, Monkey 47 gin. I've never seen this before. Look at the cool bottle. And we got some fancy tonic water. Is it fancy? I don't know. Fever Tree Premium Indian Tonic Water. So that's so fun. Thanks, Derek. And let's go see the TV and see how, I think Clover is downstairs with Eve. So it's looking like we're more like a basement living room down here. We got TV set up and everything. And the new frame TV, a little thinner than the old one. But I guess we got stock news on, or crypto news on, I don't know. So we've set up the whole thing, and I put my third Nintendo Switch dock down here so I can play. So I organized my drawers and I put on custom labels. I had, ooh, you're crooked. So in this one, this is just adapter. So anytime I need like a power brick or anything like this, is my iPad power brick and like little adapters. This is where I go. This is actually a dummy battery for my camera. So if I need to hook my camera up to like power, that's what I use. I got a mouse in there too, it's kind of random. And I got some cord control in here as well. Then this drawer is for everything related to my camera. So I've got some tripods over here. This is actually a camera, but just camera covers and some other little tripods. And this is actually a webcam that I use sometimes for a Clover cam. And then here we've got everything related to microphones. So camera mics, lavalier mic, the Apogee mic. This is actually another like adapter that goes with my laptop, but I just put it here just to fill in space because this is for everything related to my Elgato Wave mic. This is just stuff I'm not using right now. This is like an extender for the Elgato Wave mic arm. This is the Wave mic arm, so if I need to lift it up a little bit, that's what I use. And these are a couple things just related to the Wave mic. If I need to like put this on a stand again, like if I'm traveling with the Wave mic, I will need to bring those, but so that is the microphone stuff. And then this one, the beading drawer, of course, for all the beading needs. Got one, this is for my Cricut, like iron press, Cricut press stuff. I know that my Cricut press and the other Cricut is into, there's a drawer in between, which maybe bothers some of you, but it doesn't bother me. It breaks it up a little bit. So this is the Cricut press. And this is the Cricut, just the regular Cricut Joy with all the accessories and materials. And in between, I just have crafts, just like regular crafts. So I've got paint, brushes, colored pencils, labels, stickers, and everything I need to do my crafts that I like to do. So I really like the way that it turned out. Yay! We did it! I'm back on the floor. I'm back on the floor. Hello. So the sun has come out. I am feeling a little sniffly. I think I said that earlier, but I'm hoping I'm like pressing my fingers, crossing my fingers that like nothing is wrong, that it's just allergies, because I also feel like my eyes are also watering, so I could be allergic to something. I'm not really sure what it is, but I did take an allergy pill, so I feel okay. Hoping it's fine. My ear feels a little like painful. I think I like hurt the inside of my ear. I'm hoping I don't have an ear infection. Okay. Anyway, the sun has finally come out, so I think I'll take Clover for his little potty break walk in a few minutes. But I want to come on here and thank you all for the really nice comments on yesterday's video. Just to clarify, I am not going anywhere on this channel. I just will be uploading less frequently, but they'll be different, higher quality videos. Like, I don't want to just throw up a video just to meet the weekly quota that I gave to myself. That's not helpful for you, and it's not helpful for me. It stresses me out. And I would really love to give my gaming channel a little more love because I love it so much and I don't want to regret. I have a really, really stubborn thing that I don't want to live my life with any regrets. I want to try all the stupid stuff I can try. It's why I spent like 2 years of my life toiling away at science classes in a pre-medical careers program, because I was like, I want to see if the medical school is for me. Well, it was really going to be veterinary school. Veterinary school is for me. And I decided I spent 2 years studying. I took organic chemistry, biology, general chemistry, biochemistry, the most boring class on the planet, by the way. All kinds of physics. I took all kinds of courses, and I discovered, and I worked at veterinary hospitals, and I discovered I didn't want to work at a veterinary hospital. I was depressed when I was doing that. But had I not done that, had I not gone through the process, I would have regretted it. I would have regretted not trying. And I loved that experience. I don't see it as like wasted time. I learned so much about science. I learned that I can actually do organic chemistry because there ain't no math. There's just drawing pictures and moving electrons around. And I learned a lot about how the world works. And in working in veterinary hospitals and working inside veterinarians, I learned sort of about how things work. And it increased my appreciation for the way that industry works and increased my appreciation for veterinarians. It was very life fulfilling. I don't feel like I wasted time, even though it maybe seems like I did. So I always want to take opportunities that are presented to me. So I am putting up this edited version of today's video in lieu of some of the things I brought up in the last version of this video, because I believe that I may have been oversensitive, or I have misinterpreted whatever was said, or I just want to forget about it. So in that, I will just say thank you. Oh, Clover, yes, Clover's here. I will just say thank you for your comments on the last video. I appreciate them. I appreciate you, all of you. And I will see you tomorrow. I probably need to get some sleep. I probably need to cook dinner. And I don't want to, I don't want to cause anybody any troubles. You know, we got enough problems in the world. We got enough people ranting and raving about stuff that doesn't even matter. So I'm not going to add to it. I'm just going to say, have a lovely, lovely, beautiful evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you are. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the